If your phone is doing random touches after falling down, don't worry. This problem is called goose touch. Sometimes it looks serious, but first try these simple steps before going to a repair shop. Follow these steps one by one. Step 1. Enable pointer location to check the problem. Open settings on your phone, scroll down and open developer options. Now find pointer location or short tabs and turn it on. After turning it on, touch your screen and see carefully. If you see lines or dots moving without touching, it means goose touch is happening. This step helps you confirm the problem, not fix it. Now, step 2. Restart your phone. Restart your phone once. Sometimes after a drop, the system gets confused and a simple restart can fix the issue. Turn off the phone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it on again and check the screen. Now the third step, remove your screen protector. After phone drop, screen protector can create pressure or air bubbles which causes goose touch. Use the phone without protector for some time and test again. If goose touch stops, your problem is solved. But if the issue is still there, then the display or touch sensor may be damaged from the fall and you will need a technician check. Try these steps first before spending money.